everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 666 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my first ever BoxyCharm box. This is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And believe it or not, I've never tried anything from Dose of Colors before. So this was really exciting to get in my BoxyCharm box, which if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will of course have that video linked down below. I got this in the shade Nude Mood, and it seemed like most people got a Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick in their BoxyCharm boxes, but people got different colors, and I'm excited about this shade, and I'm very interested to see how this shade is going to look on me. So this has a retail value of $18. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So I love all of that. It's cute packaging, but I gotta say, when products have frosted glass and you wanna know what color they are, it makes it kind of deceiving. So I'm really interested to see the swatch. Ooh, I like this type of applicator too. It's a doe foot, but it's got a bit of a bend, like an angle to it. Hopefully you can see what I mean. But ooh, this looks like a gorgeous nude shade. Kind of looks very similar to my natural lip color, which those tend to be my favorite types of nude lipsticks, but full pigment with just one little swipe. So yay, I'm very excited to put this onto my lips now. I love the shape of this applicator because it creates the perfect smooth edges so that you don't even need a lip liner with it. Wow, I can't believe how full color this is when I just did one swipe. Like, this is the amount of pigment and opaque color that I need with some lipsticks to apply 3-4 layers to get. So I'm very impressed by this pigmentation. Wow, like seriously so quick and easy to apply since you only need that one layer, and the shape of the applicator is so easy to use. And how do we feel about this shade? I think I love it. It really enhances my very natural makeup look, but it's not like an overpowering, very bold lip shade, yet I still think it adds like some really pretty touch to like my makeup look. It really helps pull it together, and it feels so comfortable on my lips. It did dry down to a matte, not super quickly, but not sticky, not drying. Like, I think this is such a flattering shade that goes great with this very low-key makeup look, but it would also complement like bold eye colors or smoky eyes. So that's why I love a nude shade like this, which is not too light, not too dark. So it really is like the perfect nude mood. Ah, wow. I feel really lucky that this is the shade that I got. Ooh, made in the USA. What I'm very curious about is there any transfer? Just a slight little bit of transfer along the outline, but that is nothing. I could just blot that, but no fading, still completely intact, looking perfect. And I love that. That's what I want in my lipstick formulas. A formula that's not gonna fade, not gonna transfer, feels super comfortable on the lips, beautiful color, full opaque color. Yes, this is everything I was hoping for, and I'm so excited about my first Dose of Colors product. I really hope I get to try out more in future BoxyCharm boxes because this was so awesome. So if you got your Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts were on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.